Hello and welcome to the third video in the Vikom Media tutorial series on how to create a full-fledged web form. In this video, which may be broken into multiple videos for YouTube, I'll be showing how to create a PHP script to process the info that the user submits in the form. Using the form, and the script will take that and process it and create an email sent to an email address of your choice. It will also send them an email saying, hey, we got the email, it's all good, we'll try to reply as soon as possible. So we shall now open up Adobe Dreamweaver CS3. This is the form we created in the last two tutorials. What I did was I saved it as a contact form HTML, and I also put these asterisks to mark the required field so people know. Common knowledge nowadays that the asterisk means required. So I'm not going to write that somewhere, but if you want, you can on your form. But I'm not going to for this tutorial. Now I'm going to go File, New. I'm going to choose PHP, but really it doesn't matter what you choose. Create. Now it will automatically now save as a .php file, but its code is all HTML. So I'm going to put in the tags for PHP. So it's this symbol and then question mark PHP. Gonna put a couple of enters. Now question mark and then the opposite little arrow. Now I'm gonna go in the center and put in a comment. I'm going to be commenting the script so it's easier for you to understand, and also so it's easier to for you to take this tutorial and apply it to whatever form that you want. So I'll make a comment by going // and asterisk space, and this opens the comment. So I put that, and then I'm going to call it header setup, and then 1. Sorry, 1. Gonna put a space, asterisk, and then / to close it. So now I'm going to go enter tab. Now in PHP, to define a variable, what you do is put a number sign and then the name of the variable, that in this case will be 2, and then you put a equal sign, and then to define what the variable the value of the variable is, you do single quote, not double quote, and then the info. For this variable, it'll be the email address that the email is sent to. So I'll make that mine. Please don't send email to it or spam it. And then another single quote to close it off. I'll go enter and set another variable. Actually, what I'm going to do to speed this process up is copy and paste. But what this, I'm going to change the variable name to from. But we want what we want for this variable is, we're not going to set it. We're going to tell the script to get the variable from the form, and what we want is it to show the from address to, as the person's email. So the name of the field that we made for email was email. So we'll go number sign underscore request. I have it here, request, and then the bracket, square bracket, and then single quote, and then the variable's name, email, single quote, and then close square bracket, not curly. And now copy this to new line, and I'll change it from to name, and this to name. Now we're going to set a variable called headers. So we'll go number sign headers, and then equal sign, then double quotes now. So from, then see what this is going to do is the header is going to be from, and then it's going to say like from colon and whatever was defined in the from variable. So there we go. Now what I've been forgetting is after every line of code in PHP, you need to put a semicolon. So good thing I noticed now. Sorry about forgetting that. Now we're going to make a variable called subject. So subject, then equal sign, then double quote, new submission from the contact form, just so you know which form the submission is from, in case you have multiple forms. Now I'm going to make another comment. I'm going to open the comment, and then I'm going to make it data variable setup. Now close the comment. Now you can put whatever you want in comments. The code just ignores it pretty much. It's just a reference for you. So you can put whatever you want, but I'm going to label them so you can think back and recall what that section of code is for. So now we're going to make an array of variables. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to go number sign, fields equals array, parentheses, and semicolon. Again, I forgot. Oh, sticky keys is on for some reason. There we go. Sorry, my shift key got stuck. There we go, that's better. So it's going to make the following info into an array, which we will call on later.